How to fix TikTok's comment not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix TikTok's comment not showing up at all. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to fix if the TikTok comment is not actually showing, so many of the times when you open up a TikTok video and then you tap on the comment icon right on the right hand side of the screen, you notice that there aren't any type of comments. Now one of the main reasons why this also happens is because maybe the creator themselves have turned off comments. So if the creator have themselves turned off comments, you'll see a notification that says the creator has turned off comments or comments are disabled in this video, which means that there is nothing really you can do from your own end or from your own side if the creator has themselves disallowed comments on that specific video. But let's say you're having this issue persistently, which means that you're not being able to find the comment bar even if all of the videos that you watch. So it's not just one video, it is all of the videos. No matter how many times you reset, no matter how many times you relaunch TikTok, you're still not being able to post a comment and the comments are simply missing. So why is this happening? This could be happening due to a couple of reasons. So first, you want to long press on the TikTok I button over here and then tap on the I icon. If you're on iOS, go to general, go to iPhone storage, try to tap on TikTok and offload and then reinstall the application. If you're on Android, once you come to the app information page, over here tap on the storage option, clear cache, if possible also clear data, but keep in mind that clearing the data will delete your account data and it'll relog you out and then you have to re-log in back again. So if you do not remember your credentials, I really wouldn't recommend you doing this. After you clear data, after that what you can do is open up your Play Store and in the search box you can just try to search for TikTok, and then if you see an update button there next to the TikTok app, I want you to go ahead and then update it to the latest version. However, if that also doesn't help, then you can try to simply go ahead and switch your accounts and then see if it's working from other accounts but not in your own account. Then the problem could be with your account. In that case, you simply have to request a help to the TikTok customer care, and hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.